Namaste, friends. Today, I want to share an inspiring story about how artificial intelligence AI is changing the lives of farmers in India. Recently, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella spoke about a small farmer in Maharashtra who used AI to improve his farming. This story is so powerful that even Tesla CEO Elon Musk reacted, saying, "AI will improve everything." But what does this mean for our farmers? How can AI truly help them? Let's understand together, step by step. The reality, farmers and their challenges. Farming is not easy. Many small farmers face serious challenges every day. Unpredictable weather, too much rain one season, drought the next, water shortage, finding the right amount of water is always a struggle. Lack of information, light. Farmers don't always know the best time to water or fertilize their crops. These challenges can be stressful and overwhelming, but what if technology could help? AI, a helping hand for farmers. Imagine a farmer in Maharashtra. He started using AI-powered tools to improve his crops. Here's how AI is helping. Satellite and drone data. AI observes the land and gives real-time updates. Smart guidance. AI tells farmers exactly when to water, fertilize, or protect crops. Simple language support. Farmers receive messages in their own language, making it easy to understand. For example, AI might send a message like, "Your soil needs more nutrients this week. It's a good time to add fertilizer. Tomorrow, the temperature will rise. Reduce irrigation to save water." This reduces stress for farmers and helps them make better decisions for their crops. When Satya Nadella shared this success story, even Elon Musk responded with excitement. He said, "AI will improve everything." This means AI is not just for big cities or tech companies. It is now helping small farmers too. It is giving hope. The future of AI in farming. AI can bring so many positive changes to agriculture. More accurate weather predictions. Farmers can plan ahead. Better water conservation. AI can help use water wisely. Automated farming. AI-powered machines may soon assist in harvesting and planting. This is not just technology. This is support for our hardworking farmers. A thoughtful conclusion. Farming is the heart of our country. If AI can help farmers, it means a better future for all of us. What do you think? Could AI be a blessing for farmers? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's spread awareness and support our farmers. Thank you for listening. Wishing you a bright and peaceful day.
The one example that I wanted to highlight was one of the small farmers who was part of the Baramati co-op, where you can take this powerful technology, but make it have impact where a small landowner is able to improve the yield of their land. And the numbers they shared in terms of reduction in chemicals, improvement in water usage, and ultimately yield was phenomenal. One of the things it does is sensor fusion. We've been talking about it for decades. This is using geospatial data, spatial temporal data from drones, from satellites, from soil, all getting connected in real time, and then to apply AI to it, and then translate it back into knowledge for a farmer who is just asking questions in their vernacular language. That's the stitching together. It's pretty phenomenal to see.